At the end of this video, you should be able to know the difference between save and save as. But before we get started on this channel, we'll talk about how you can do some basic stuff using your computer system. So if you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe. So let's get started. What does it mean to save? To save means to store a document in a computer. That is, for the very first time you want to make use of Microsoft Office Word in a document, you have to save. Saving is very much important. Now, for an example, let's say we have already worked on these documents and then I want to type this code. You can also follow it and type this code also. Now let's say I've already typed this document and then I want to save. This is where save is very much important. So the shortcut to save is by pressing Ctrl S, or you come to Microsoft ribbon and then you press on save. So once you press on save and then next name it my first document. So it has been saved. So that is saving. Whenever you save, it means you store that particular document in a computer. Remember, we saved this as my first document. Now let me exit from that document and then let me go to my file, to my computer, and then go to my documents, and then if I search my first document, here it is. That is, after I saved, it's stored on my hard disk, so I can be able to access it anytime, any day. So I open it and then I have opened it. Now let's look at save as. What is a save as? To save as means to create another copy of a document in a computer. Now there are some people that they don't know the difference, that doesn't know the difference between save and save as. Remember, I told you that whenever you save, it means you store a document for the very first time in your computer. But whenever you save as, it creates another copy of document in a computer. Now let's go to the very first document that we saved. Now let's come to Microsoft ribbon and then we click on save as. If we click on save as, it gives you another opportunity to create another copy of this document, but it won't be in the same name, it will be in another name. Now if we type this as the file name, second document. Now if we type second document and then we click on save, we already have two documents saved in a computer. Now let's go to file again, and then this is, can you see, my first document, and then this is second document. It means you have two documents being saved into your computer system. Again, let's see another explanation that will make you to understand the difference between save and save as. Now when you worked on a saved document and you save, the document will be affected. That is, changes will be made. Now let's open this document, my first document, and now let's say you want to edit this document. Probably you want to bold in this first paragraph. You see it has been bold. Now if you click on save, because whatever action that you do on Microsoft Office Word, you must make sure you save before you exist. If you don't save, what you worked on will not be corrected. Now we have bolded this first paragraph and then we click on Ctrl S, or we click on save. Now it has been saved. It means that Microsoft Office Word have overwrite this document. Now let me close this and then let me open it again, my first document. You will discover that the previous correction I did on Microsoft Office Word, that is the bolding I bold, is still there. So whenever you save again, we have already saved. It has been stored in Microsoft in your PC. Now if you now open it again and then you work on Microsoft Office Word and then you click on save, the work you did will be saved on that document. I believe you understand. Now if you want to save as with this, now this is the difference between save and save as that I believe you are going to understand. When you work on a saved document and you save as, there will be another copy of the document, while the original document will not be affected. Now for an example here, let's say I now type another one. I discovered that I need to type this. Now I type I am learning computer here, and then I did not click on save. I want to click on save as. If I click on save as, it's going to bring in another option to rename. Now, and I rename this as another copy. Now I rename this as another copy and then I click on save. Now if I exit this and then I go to the original one, the first document, you will discover that I am learning Microsoft Office Word will not be displayed because I save as. Save as, I've already created another copy of it, why the original one will not be affected. I believe you understand what save and save as is. If you don't understand, please watch this video over and over again and then you read the content that is here. And also, if you gain something from this channel, please like, comment and share this to those that need it. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel.